It's funny how they hiccup so fast. And pretty cute too, I suppose. All lonely there, little buddy? Come on. Go fight with your brother again. Come on. Charge. Charge at him, charge at him, charge. Yeah! Nice. I love it when you do that. Hey, that's your bed. Don't be so mean to your bed. Holy shit. Okay, are you attacking the bed or attacking each other? Make up your mind. Look at them. What the hell are they doing? Oh my god, they're going nuts. He's just pulling the bed forward a little bit. I mean backward. Okay, are you attacking each other or the bed? A little bit of both, maybe? Whoa. Oh, he's got him pinned. Ooh, you're sure telling him. Whoa, pushed him right off him. Alright, you done now? Alright, that was a good fight.